Hello everyone, this is a spicy bulgogi beef that you can whip up at home easily in an instant pot. Start with, this is the end result of the bulgogi beef. Start with some garlic oil in the instant pot. Use the salty function. You have the salty function and you can use that with the lid open. So start with all the beef, putting all the beef in and saute with all the garlic sauce, garlic oil. Sear them well, make them all brown first. Once they're brown, stir them around until they're brown. And once they're brown, I will put in 3 types of vegetables. Start with the shallots, 1 or 2 shallots, and 3 to 4 stalks of spring onion. Salting them really well, and this will help to make them more fragrant. Use the Lau Gan Ma chili oil, 2 tablespoons for a spicy effect, and 1 tablespoon for a milder effect. Soya bean paste, 1 tablespoon for that umami taste. 2 spoonfuls of rice vinegar and some soy sauce. Once you stir and it's all brown and cooked, put in the sliced chopped carrots and a little bit brown dark soya sauce for color, and close the lid. Put it 12 minutes under pressure cook, and there you have it. It's cooked. 12 minutes under pressure cook, and now you have it. It's all cooked, ready to be served. And I'm scooping it out into a bowl and serving it for dinner. It is very easy. You saute it for 10 minutes and then you pressure cook for another 12. Please like, share and subscribe, and I hope you come back to the channel and search out more recipes that is easy gourmet dinners that can be easily cooked at home. Thanks for watching.